Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to add SSH in Hostinger. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're in, go to the Websites section on the left panel. Then click on Website List. Here, select the websites you want to manage and open its dashboard. Once inside, scroll down on the left panel until you see the Advanced section. Then click on it. Now, go to the SSH Access tab. Here, you'll see whether your SSH is activated or not. If it's not, go ahead and enable it first. Once you've done that, scroll down to the SSH keys section. Here, you'll have the option to add a new SSH key, so click on that. Now, it's time to add your key. First, type in a name for it, then paste your SSH key in the field provided. Once you're done, click the Add button. And that's it. You've successfully added SSH in Hostinger. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.